So hello guys again. What we can see is that we have completed this part introduction part, and now so we'll solve the problems related to the introduction of part. That means where we have what is differential equation, degree of differential equation, order of differential equation, uh, and uh, and what we can say is that some of the solutions of the differential equation, and etc linear differential equation, and some properties of the linear differential equations, and these things. So we'll study the problem right now. So so the first problem is say one, which says that let y1x and y2x be the solution of the differential equation of the differential equation dy by dx is equals to y plus 17 with initial condition is given that initial condition y1 0 is equals to 0, y2 0 is equals to 1. Then which of the following is true? Right, what we have to say is which of the following is true. One is y1 and y2 will never intersect. Option 2 says y1 and y2 will intersect at 17. Equal to x. 3 says y1 and y2 will intersect at x is equals to a, and 4 says y1 and y2 will intersect at x is equals to 1. So that's our problem. So we need to solve that one. So to solve this, it is quite interesting that we have to solve this one. So what this condition will give? This condition will give us a particular solution. This condition will give a particular solution. So say particular solution is y1, say particular solution is y2. So to get particular solution of these two equations, this differential equation, we have to first calculate the general solution. So from here we have to calculate the general solution, then we have to particular solution. Then two solutions will get of the form curve, right? So then we have to check when y1, that means while we say function of x, then these two curves when they will intersect. So it's basically an easy problem. So solution dy dx plus minus y is equals to 17, say. So it is of the form dy by dx plus py is equals to q. So integrating factor will be equals to e to the power integration minus dx is equals to e to the power minus x. Solution is y into e to the power minus x whole integration 17 into e to the power minus x dx plus c. This implies y to the power minus x is equals to 17 of e to the power minus x into minus plus c. So y is equals to minus 17 plus c e to the power x, right? So y of 0 is equals to minus 17 plus c. This implies c is equals to 17. So what we can say, so from here we can say that y1x is equals to that is what is y-axis is this, right? So y1x is equal to minus 17 plus c e to the power x. So minus 17 plus 17 e to the power x. So it is 17 e to the power x minus 1, right? So this is y1x. Again y2 0 is equals to 1. So 1 is equal to minus 17 plus c is equal to 1 plus 17 is equals to 18. So therefore y2x will be equals to minus 17 plus 18 e to the power minus x e to the power x. So now what we have to check is that when this what is our curve is y1x is equals to this, y1x is this, and this will intersect. That means they will intersect if this value y1 and y2 will intersect if there exists x such that x, there must be exist some x such for which y1x is equals to y2x. This must be true. So this implies 17 into e to the power x minus 1 is equals to minus 17 plus 4 that x, right? This implies, so e to the power x minus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 18 by 17 e to the power x. So this implies e to the power x is equals to 18 by 17 of e to the power x, which is a contradiction. This is not true. So they will not intersect. So they'll never intersect. So option A will be true here. Option A will be true, right? So that question is coming from 2012 CS Harnett. Right? So that's important question. So again we have another question. We'll discuss all the questions related to the topic 1.1. So the second question says that, question number 2 says that let yx is equals to be a continuous solution of the different initial value problem y dash plus twice y is equals to f of x and y of 0 is equals to 0, where f of x is equals to 1 if 0 less than equal to x less than 1 and 0 x is greater than 1. So then we have to calculate y 3 by 2, which is equals to, option A says that sine hyperbolic 1 by e cube. Option 2 says that it is cos hyperbolic e cube, and option C says no, you both of you are wrong. It is sine hyperbolic e square, and there's another person who says that no, both of three are false. The truth is that one is square. So which one is true? So we have to solve this one. So this is initial value problem. So solution is quite important and easy. So dy dx plus twice of y is equals to 1. For we have to take two cases. So for this so integrating factor will be equals to e to the power integration 2 dx. So e to the power twice x, solution is y into e to the power twice x is equal to whole integration on e to the power twice x dx plus c. So it is equals to e to the power twice x by 2 plus c e to the power twice x. So if we look carefully then so that's important. So this implies y is equals to half plus c to the power minus twice x. So that's what important. So now y of again for x greater than 1, right? So x greater than 1, we will have y dash plus twice y is equals to 0. So dy dx is equals to minus twice y. This implies dy by y is equal to minus 2 dx. So log of y is equals to minus twice x plus c. This implies y is equal to a e to the power minus twice x. Now Okay. So so y of 0 is equals to 0. So this implies y of 0 is equals to 0. So we cannot use here because so this is the case. So now since y is continuous, since y-axis is continuous, y-axis is continuous at x is equals to 1, so limit x tends to 1, y of x is equals to y of 1. So this must be true. This implies limit of x tends to 1, y of x what will e to the power minus twice x is equals to y of 1. What we will have y of 1 will be equals to say half plus c half plus c of e to the power minus 2, right? So okay, we have left some work. Y0 is equals to 0. So this implies 0 is equal to half plus c is equal to minus half. So here we have can write minus half. So half minus of half. So certainly this implies a e to the power minus half of e to the power minus 2. So what we can say from here, it's certainly we can say a is equals to half of e square, that means minus half of, so half into e square minus 1. Therefore y of x will be equals to a half into e square minus 1 into e to the power minus twice x, right? So that's what what is the value of yx. So y of 3 by 2 will be equals to half into e square minus 1 into e to the power minus cube. So it is equals to y of e square minus 1 by e cube. So that's what is important. So which one of the following is both of these? E cube into e square minus 1. So I think there is something is missing, right? So I think missing, I don't know. C is equals to minus half, so minus half with this. So that's what is important. That's what is important. So yeah, it may be true. So we have to do some manipulation. Half into 1 by e minus 1 by e cube, right? So we have to do some manipulations to get the exact answer, right? So if we take 1 by e into 1 minus 1 by e of square, right? So if we took 2e, right? So 2 of e, that means if we try to make it collapse with that, or certainly we can write it as e divided by 2e cubed, so 2e squared, so it is equals to sine hyperbolic 1 divided by e square. So because sine hyperbolic of x is equals to e to the power x minus e to the power minus x divided by 2, so sine hyperbolic of 1 is equals to e to the power x minus e to the power minus 1 by 2. That's what is important, right? So what will be the true? What will be the true is what will be the true? The true option will be that one, because that's what important. No, that's not important. That's one is important. Sine hyperbolic 1 by this is true option. So that's what important. So again we'll have some other problem too. So question number 3, there will be question number 3. Okay, so question number 3 says that consider the ordinary differential equation on R. Say y dash of x is equals to f of yx, right? If f is even function and y is an odd function, right? Odd function, then which of the following is true? Y of minus or minus y is also a solution. 1. 2 says that y of minus x is also a solution. 3 says that y of minus y of x is also a solution. 4 says that y of x into y of minus x is also a solution. So which of the following is true? So first of all, it is important to know that right, what is important to know that consider the differential equation. This is the differential equation. So dy dx is equals to f of yx, right? So take an example, say dy by dx is equals to y. This implies dy by y is equals to dx. So this implies log of y is equals to x plus c. This implies y is equals to a e to the power x. So that's what is important for us, right? That's what is important for us. So from here, y of x is a solution. Say y of is equals to e to the power x is called a solution. Now y of so now dy dx is equals to dy of minus x is equal to d dx of a e to the power minus x. So to option check, so d a into to minus x minus, so is not equals to y. So y of minus x dy dx so dy, so y of is not equal to y of minus x, right? So y of minus x is not a solution. Now minus y of minus x is equals to minus of y of minus of a e to the power minus x. So it is equals to a e to the power minus x is equals to y of minus x is a solution. So option A is possible. A may be true. Because why you cannot say? Because we are not proving. We have not proved it. We are just trying hit and trial method again. again for option C, for C, y of minus x is equals to a to the power minus x dy dx, sorry, minus of yx is equal to this dy dx, d minus dy dx is equal to minus of a to the power minus x. So I think what is solution? E to the power of x, right? So there may be breakthrough. There may be breakthrough. Here it will be no breakthrough, right? So is equals to minus y. So it's not equals to y because dy dx should be equals to y. So that's the problem. Again yx into y of minus x is equals to a to the power x into a to the power minus x, so is equals to a square. So say it is p is equals to this, say, so p is equal to a square is not a solution because dvt of x to 0 is not equals to a square, because a square may be constant but this cannot be equation. So what we can say is that this is false, this is false, this is false, and this is true. So that's why it is true. So there is more 3 questions are there, 4 5 6 7. So consider the differential equation, which says that says the y dash is equals to y into y minus 1 into y minus 2. Which of the following statement is true? Which of the following is true? Is true. That means which one is true? If y0 is equal to 0.5, then y is decreasing. Right? That's what B says. That y of 0 is equals to 1.2, then y is increasing. And if C is equals to y of 2.5, then y is bounded. Y is unbounded. And fourth one says that y of 0 is less than y, then y is bounded below. So this is the problem for very recent 2018, right? December, June. So that's why it is important too much. So this is a baby curve. This is problem from baby curve, right? So what it says that we can say y is decreasing. That means y is increasing if y dash greater than 0 for all x. Y is decreasing if y dash is less than 0 for all x, right? So okay, so y dash is equals to y into y minus 1, y minus 2 if y of 0 is equal to 0.5, say, right? So y of 0 is equals to, then y dash 0, what will be y dash 0? So 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1, no, minus 1.5. that means 0.5 into minus 0.5 into minus 1.5. that means this is something which is greater than 0, right? So y dash 0 is greater than 0. From here we cannot say that y is increasing, because from here we cannot say y is increasing because y dash of x should be greater than 0 for all x, right? So so here it is come the concept of what is so-called baby curve, right? So-called baby curve, right? Say we're trying to this form this one. So that's one is 0, so that one is 1 and that one is 2. So y of 0 is equals to 0 0.5, so it is positive 1. So positive 1 is this one, right? So y of 1 in between them this is negative. Then y of 2, if we get y of 2 equals 0, and y of 2, if that means on that part it will be positive and negative, positive, negative. So what we can say, that y is decreasing. So y0 is 0 0.5. that means that doesn't mean that it is decreasing, because the y dash 0 is equals to this, then we cannot say this 1 from here, right? So that is an important concept.